So picture this, a nurse, me, being invited to this rooftop swanky event with 300 personal injury attorneys, work comp attorneys, their teams, physicians who do expert witnessing. No nurses allowed. But I was there. I was the only nurse there. I was the only legal nurse there. My name's Randy. I've been a nurse for almost 30 years. I've been a legal nurse for many years. I run my own successful legal nurse consulting firm, and I help nurses like you learn to run your successful legal nurse consulting firm. I've helped hundreds of nurses, and I'd love to help you. But I wanted to tell you about how I was able to pull this off. I wasn't supposed to be there. It was supposed to be doctors. It was supposed to be attorneys and lawyers and their teams. It was supposed to be people who outranked me, right? I'm a nurse. I'm not a physician. I'm not an attorney. But there I was, standing there in my fancy suit, having a drink, talking about vacations with these guys, learning about their lives, their children, their desires, what they like to do, what they hate to do, and talking about legal nurse consulting. In fact, I didn't just get invited to the rooftop event. I got invited to the after party. But I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit, so let me back up. Here I am trying to market, forming the way that I market today and the way that I teach in Catalyst is super effective. In fact, most of our clients in Catalyst end up getting their first attorney clients within about a month or less. That wasn't the case when I started because I didn't have Catalyst, right? So I'm trying to figure this out as I go. And I knew I needed to network. Now, nobody necessarily told me that, but I've got a master's in business. I was a healthcare executive. I kind of understood that that was important, but I didn't know how. So I was just trying to pull at strings and see what happened. So I find this, I'm just doing a Google search, and I find this event, this awesome invitation-only event. And I'm like, nobody looking. I'm just going to register for it and show up. Well, one of the questions was, are you a physician or are you an attorney? Or are you neither? Because if you're neither, you ain't invited. And I didn't know what to put there. I didn't want to lie. I didn't want to say I'm a physician or say I'm an attorney just to get in. That's immoral, unethical. And who would want to work with a person like that? But I wanted to be there. So I scroll down to the bottom of this invitation and I find the organizer's name and phone number and his email. So what did I do? I found I had his name, I had his email, I shot him an email and just said, hey, here's who I am. Here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to come to this event. But I knew that, why would he invite me? I knew that just me saying I want to be there, who am I? Why would he ever want to do that? So I knew I had to find some sort of win-win. So what I told him was, hey, I'm a legal nurse consultant. Looks like you've got a great event here. I don't imagine that you know every attorney, and I might know attorneys that you don't know. And I'm sure you know attorneys I don't know. So here's what I'm thinking. What if I come to your rooftop event and I invite all of the attorneys I work with to your rooftop event? Sure enough, he emailed me back. Actually, he didn't email me. He called me within like 20 minutes of me sending the email. He's like, hey, who are you? What is this? What do you want to do? We had a half-hour conversation. He's like, all right, I'm going to allow you to do this. Never do this, but I'm going to allow you to do it. I'm going to allow you to come. I want you to tell me, and this was in the beginning. I've been to this event many times since, but the very first time, he's like, I want you to keep track. I want you to tell me every week how many attorneys you sent emails to and invited, and then tell me how many of them you know that came. And I did that. And I got to go to this event. And I've been many, many times since then. And guess what? I'm still the only legal nurse there. This past couple, a month, 2 months ago maybe, me, my chief operating officer, and my chief administrative officer all went, for my legal nurse consulting firm, all went to this rooftop event. We got an invitation to another private event from there multiple times. We've met attorneys who have given us cases. We've gotten referrals from there. We've had many lunch dates that spurred from there. And once I was there, I want to talk to you about this too. I got invited to the after party. There were like 15 people out of 300 that got invited to the after party. Why me? So I want to tell you why me and why it could be you. Because here's what we always do. We go to these events and what do? Hi, my name's Randy. I'm the CEO of a legal nurse consulting firm. Here's my card. Give me a case, right? I mean, I'm being exaggerative there, but you see what I'm saying. We start pitching. We're like, hey, what do? You're an attorney. You're a PI attorney. Oh, I'm a legal nurse consultant. I help attorneys to blah, 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 blah. Yeah, can I give you my card? Right? And that's not what they want to be around, especially at an event like this where it's supposed to be chill, networking. It's supposed to be conversational. So here's a simple rule for you to follow that I teach in Catalyst. Here's some free coaching for you. When you go to a networking event, never talk about your legal nurse consulting unless they ask. And I don't care at all. What if you say, Randy, what if they never ask? Fine, never tell. If they don't ask you, hey, are you an attorney? Oh, what do you do? Are you a doctor? If they don't ask you anything about you, that's okay. Don't force it. Because if they don't ask, they don't care. If they don't care, they're not going to work with you. So it's okay. Just talk about them. Because guess what? When you see them next time and you talk to them again and you go, hey, didn't you go scuba diving? Last time I talked to you, you were going to scuba diving off the Maldives or something. And they go, yeah, that was awesome. Oh, that's really cool. I love that. I've always wanted to go there. And they're like, oh, yeah. Have you ever been? And you start talking about it. And they're like, what do you do again? I don't know you. Are you an attorney? Ah, bingo, right? But now they care about you. They care about you and not just your business. Because nobody cares that you're a legal nurse consultant. What they care about is the person. And then they care, can this be a mutually beneficial relationship? It's okay to do business, but do relationship first. That is how I got invited to the after party with a handful of other attorneys sitting there across the table from them, having conversations about work, about trips, about life, about kids, about what they were drinking, about what they were eating. Who cares? Connection, relationship. That's the name of the game. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I love it when you subscribe. I love to feed information to you. I love to feed free training to you. Don't care if you ever join Catalyst or not. If you do, awesome. If you qualify for our program, we'd love to have you be a part of our community. I'd love to be your personal mentor and coach. But if you don't, fine. Check out the free stuff that I'm giving you. I sometimes have downloadables. I try to think of really good topics that help. And if you have any, drop them in the comments below. If you have topics you'd like for me to talk about, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.